Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you what is dynamic typing. Okay, I'm taking x as a variable and I am assigning with some uh, string literal. Okay, here we can understand that name at the rate of 123 is a string and this is assigned to the x variable. Here I'm not typing any data type. There is no declaration for x variable. Without declaring a x variable, we are able to run it in Python, whereas it is not possible in C or C++ or Java. So try to print it. It will run. Okay, try to run it. Yeah, it printed name at the rate of 123 class string. And we can understand easily that without declaring a data type, we are able to assign a value, we are able to identify the type of the value. So no problem. Even we continue with some x value. If we reassign value to the x variable, try to run it. Okay. From fifth line, it is 32. X variable have a 32 and the x variable type is integer. Before we saw that x variable have a string value. In this moment, we saw that x variable have a integer value. So it means that value have a data type in a Python, but not a variable. Variable can be assigned with many data types. So this is called dynamic typing. We have to identify the difference between different languages and the Python language. So I think you are get a clarity. This is called dynamic typing. I hope you understood. I see you in the next session.